Oh no. Ah. There goes my tongue. So here we have the Hot Ones Wing Sauce Challenge. I've got my 3 sauces right here, here, and here. I have no idea which one is which. I'm just gonna take a wing and dip it into a random one and move it around. And let's see, which one did I choose? Okay, so that one is definitely mild or medium. Kind of like a smoky flavor to it. Mild or medium. So that leaves 2 sauces. So we have the Apollo sauce, which is the super hot one. And then either mild or medium left. So yeah, the middle one is definitely a smoky, seems like it's a smoky sauce. Let's see. I'm going to try the one on the right here. Let's see. Oh, buddy, I put a lot of sauce on it. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This might be the hot one. Mm-mm. That might be the hot one. Might, it is. I don't have any milk, so. Soda is. Uh-oh. Oh no. Ah. There goes my tongue. Alright, I'm gonna dip some in the medium or the mild just to. Ooh. Already eyes watering. Oh my gosh. My tongue is on fire. Ah. I thought I could handle this without milk, but I don't know. That Apollo is hot. My stomach might feel that one later. Ooh. Pain. Let's see, eyes watering, nose starting to run. Mouth is on fire, tongue burning. I'm starting to go back to my ears too. That feeling in your ears. It's coming. So yes, the Apollo is legitimately hot. Legitimately hot. This is the Apollo. Let me see if I can get a good look at it without spilling it. Ooh. There you go. But it's already seemed like it's going down, so kind of a incline of heat like this. Actually, no, it's probably like an intense incline, then chill. Not chill, but you know. So here's another bite of the Apollo sauce. Alright, so now that's done. To recap, I would say the medium sauce was kind of like a smoky sauce. It was okay, not bad. The mild sauce, I wasn't really a fan of at all. And the hot sauce, the Apollo sauce, was delicious. It was great. And it was really legitimately spicy. Like, even for me. Like, legitimately spicy. If you're not familiar with the Apollo sauce, which is the hot one in this pack, it is made of the Apollo pepper, which is a combination really of Carolina Reaper and Pepper X. So these are from the Ed Curry's farm in South Carolina. So two of the world's hottest peppers together into a super pepper, and it is just, you can really tell it's legitimately hot, and I'm still feeling it in my stomach a little bit. It's good luck to me, because it's definitely, that kind of heat is definitely an appetite killer, that's for sure. But it was pretty good. But yeah. Thank you for watching the Hot Ones Boneless Wing Challenge. We'll see you next time.